At first, it flickered weakly, but as she gained confidence, it grew stronger. She illuminated the faces of the villagers who smiled and began to share stories. Children laughed and played, and the elderly felt comforted. As the night wore on, Luna's light attracted a lost child. Her small light had made a big difference. She didn't need to be the brightest or the biggest. She just needed to shine. From the day onwards, Luna knew her potential and continued to shine, inspiring others to do the same. Reflection. Everyone has a unique light to share and can create a brightest world. Thank you. This little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine all the time, let it shine. Hiding under a bushel, oh no.
வணக்கம். பொன்மொழி. வெற்றியை நோக்கி பயணிக்கும் போது சோதனைகளை கண்டு தளராதே, ஏனெனில் சோதனைகளை வென்றால் தானே சாதனை. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing.
வணக்கம். வணக்கம். திருக்குறள். கற்ற கசடர கற்றவை கற்ற பின் நிற்க அதற்கு தக. நன்றி.